Hello traders, today is Friday, it's about 12 o'clock. We are done trading for today. I'm going to show you the signals that the roadmap system provided to you on the chart if you're using NinjaTrader or if you're using TradingView. Remember to get a free trial. We have a free trial now for a limited time where you can access the roadmap on your charts. Let me add here the roadmap to my chart. You can see that it does not give you any type of different settings that you have to adjust. It automatically adjusts. So if you have the DayTradeToWin suite of indicators, whether it be the at the open or the blueprint or the Trade Scalper, I'm going to choose here the roadmap just above the Sonic. And when I click on the roadmap, there's nothing here that you need to do. You can set the colors, you can set the size of the text because it gives you a text as well as an alert. But there's really nothing else you have to do here. It automatically configures it to the E-mini S&P, and now I added the roadmap zones and the actual text and markers to the chart. Okay, so I'm going to start off here earlier in the day. If you're trading pre-market, so this is today, this is live, this is giving you a short opportunity, roadmap short 64.0950. Now the reason why this happened is because the market is trading, landed inside the zone, stopped, did not go through it, and then it's coming off of it. And when it starts to come off of it, you get a signal and you get a text. Now if it goes through it and continues through it, that's an opportunity to go long until it reaches the next zone. So you have an opportunity here as a filter, as a counter trend trade, and as a continuation as well. Now as we continue lower, remember we're going to go short until we take our profit target. Usually I like to use the ATR, the average true range. You could trail a stop. But at this point, we're waiting for it to come down here to this zone. And you can see that it never reached the zone, came very close, didn't reach the zone. So there's nothing really I have to be concerned with as far as landing in the zone and being a buyer. And now the market hit the zone a second time right there, hit it a third time, hit it a fourth time. So these are all opportunities. If you want, you can retake or re-enter into this trade short. Really our stop is a few ticks, 2 or 3 ticks just above the zone. That's how you manage the trade. So in every instance here, before the market opened, after the market opened, about half hour after the market opened, it got stuck here at the roadmap zone. It's exactly what we want to see. And then the market blew through the zone and hit the next zone. And then what happened? The market stopped and reversed. So if you took a short trade, this is a short trade. Here's the signal here, 64.14. Gives you an exact entry. If you took this trade and you wanted to go short, what's the target? $237 is pretty big. I would say probably closer to $200 per contract. So if you're trading 5 contracts, that's $1,000. If you're just trading 1 contract, consider about a $200 profit target on this trade. Now the interesting thing about this is, here we are live right now, is that the market was unable to go beyond the roadmap zone once, twice, 3 times. So as far as I'm concerned, you could have taken this short again right over here. You can take in this short here again, and once it lands in the zone, it comes off of it again short right now. So you have on a Friday plenty of opportunities. You may not think so because Fridays are usually slower, or sometimes they're a little erratic, but as long as you're patient and you look for the perfect setup using the roadmap zone to filter out other signals as well, signals that you may be using, this is a great way to trade. Trade less, but be more accurate. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Remember, trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Fridays we have, and we're dedicated to live training sessions for our members. So if you're a member, remember to join our 10 o'clock class, 11 o'clock class, 12 o'clock class, 1 o'clock class for the specific software and the one-on-one trainings that we have throughout the day. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.